Hello students, this is a preview of lesson 1.11.3. Today we will work on your English conversation and reading skills. We begin with dialogues 1 through 3 from our English course American English Conversations 2. So, the first part, directions, read the dialogues below in English, then translate them and read them in your primary language. So you use this translate section to select which language you want to translate this page. Let's say you want to translate in Hindi. And now everything here is in Hindi. So after you read in English, after you read these dialogues in English, then please translate them in your primary language and read them in your primary language. That is part 1. Let's read these dialogues together. Greetings. Dialogue 1. Greetings. Good morning. Good morning. How are you today? Just fine, thanks. How are you? Wonderful. Things couldn't be better. Then we have dialogue 1. Greetings. Okay. Hi, what's up? Nothing much. What's new with you? Not too much. I've been pretty busy. Me too. Seems like all I do is eat and sleep. Gotta go. Call me tonight. Okay, check you later. Then we have dialogue 2, early in the morning. It's time to get up. I just went to bed. You shouldn't have stayed up so late watching TV. I told you we had to get an early start. I know, but that movie was just too good to leave. I guess I'll just have to pay the price and be sleepy. Do you want to eat breakfast here? No, why don't we just grab a bite at the coffee shop next door? Okay by me. And here we have... Okay, here we have daily needs. This is the last of the milk. I know, I intend to go to the store today. Would you get some of that new cereal we saw advertised on TV? Which one? You know, the one with the silly ad about how vitamins jump up and down? Oh, you mean Kikis? Yeah, that's the one. Well, I'll see. Sometimes the stores don't have some of the new kinds of cereal. Okay, so we read this in English, and then we translate it. Let's say we translate it into Spanish. And now we read it in Spanish. Then we go back to English. Now we have part 2. Watch, read along, and pronounce with the video below a minimum of 2 to 3 times. After you finish, let us know what you learned via the comment section below. So watch this video, pronounce together with it 2 or 3 times, okay? Then you leave a reply. Today I learned about, and you put your name and your email, and you click post comment. And that's it. Okay, just follow the directions and do your best. And you will finish this lesson 1.11.3 in no time. Thank you very much.